Hello my friend, I'm Say, and in this lesson, or better I say in this project, we are drawing a bangle. Start the drawing the bangle. First, we are drawing an ellipse, and look like that, and we have a circle or ellipse, and in a 60 to 55 dimension, and yes, we have it. We are measuring this ellipse 60 ochre millimeter in 50 millimeter. Okay, and go to perspective and deleting the dimension, and then we extrude the curve of circle or ellipse. Go to the surface and then straight, yes, extrude these curves, look like this. Okay, and then second floor, go to smashing this extruded curve, this surface. We are smashing this surface and drawing our bangle on the smashed surface. We drawing in the past. We draw in the past. Yes, you see this bangle. We must drawing bangle on the smashed surface, showing the border of this bangle. This is the border of that bangle. We are drawing the curve of this bangle and projecting on the surface we drawing. Okay, you see the curves. We selected the curve to drawing the surface of bangle. Yes, with the network curve. Okay, we have this surface, and this surface is the structure of our bangle, and then projecting our curves on this surface. Yes, projecting. We cutting this part, cutting, or better, I say splitting the drawing, splitting the surfaces to projecting multi drawing. Okay, we must should be have several surfaces to projecting multi or different patterns. Yes, we patch. Yes, select the curves and patch. Yes, we can make surface with the patch or network or sweep to rail. Yes, it's based on situation. Okay, the next we drawing these two blue surface. Okay, and we can follow along the surface these surfaces on the base surface or mother surface to see how we design or how our design. And then when we flow along the surface, or when we flow this smashed surface on a mother surface or base surface, then we can smash it each surfaces to project the pattern, project a different or multi pattern on our Bangle surfaces. We are piping the curves or piping the patterns. Yes, go to the solid, select the curves or patterns and go to the solid, and then click on a pipe icons, and type the diameter of pipe, and then enter, yeah, pipes. Convert the better I said convert the pattern to pipe for our project. Okay, and we flow along the surface the other pattern under bangle. We can also project any different multi patterns on our surface on a bangle, or on our surface of bangle. Okay, we need to duplicate the borders of surface to offset this curve of borders, and then split the surface, and then offsetting to our bangle to design a better our bangle it's needed. Okay, we have setting curve on a surface. We are drawing up these borders for bangle for better view and have a better hardener structure. Yes, for usable, for better, you say, for frame easy use. It's help to um, harder bangle. Yes, we are offsetting the surface for border. This can be 60 0.6 millimeter or more. Yeah, in here we are offsetting with the 0.4 distance. Okay, we are erasing this pipe. Yeah, let's check the surface offset and then blend with the um, plus piping to better view. Boolean or just offsetting is based on our bangle or shape of bangle. Okay, now we selecting this surface, and then um, we must be make a UV curve, make this surface to UV curve in this form. We must drawing with this curve our surface, not splitting, because form our UV curve. Yes, with the network we make this surface, and then our UV curve is better and useful. Okay, and then drawing the cartier shape curves, and then resizing fit to our UV curve. And then apply UV curve on our surface, look like that, and then splitting the surface with these curves. And here we are just little editing to better structure, and then offset this cartier shape. Okay, we have this bangle, drawing, offsetting, piping. Yeah. Okay. And then we're going to rendering. Yes, apply this 40 karat gold. Yeah, and we have the um, yeah. Okay. And then rendering this bangle in this form. Okay, this bangle. Very nice. Thanks for watching.